Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, today taking a little solo ride to the beach again. This is one of my favorite places to go in Oregon. Today we're going to visit a place called Tunnel Beach. It's around Tillamook, and there's some sights to see around Tillamook as well, and we'll stop there. But the way there is real nice. We're going to go up Highway 8. We're going to go through around Forest Grove and then catch Highway 6 to Tillamook. And then maybe we'll stop for some ice cream. It's a really good place to go. Anyway, join me, and hope to bring you some really good footage here. Bye. Okay, looks like we're recording, and well, let's get on our way. Right now we're on North Valley Road. Here's some good spots here. I love these country roads. Just love them. And you know what? If you like them too, then this Versys was made for you. This bike is so much fun on these back roads. It just hugs them. Of course, you got to pay attention. You got to pay attention for critters and farm equipment. It's funny how once in a while you run across a big old tractor in the middle of the road, and they go about 5 miles an hour, and they just hog the whole road. But you know what? They're the farmers of America, and they're the ones that keep us going. All right, so we're going to continue on North Valley Road here. Up here is North Valley Friends Church. I've played a couple of gigs there. We used to be in a bluegrass band years ago, and that brings back some fond memories. We used to practice at a place up here on Lewis Rogers Lane. Very nice people. They're not there anymore. Ellie and Gary Findle. But yeah, it was a fun time. We sure had a blast with that band. Sometimes I miss it and I want to get back to it, but you know, life happens. Okay, we're coming down around the bend here. This part of North Valley Road used to be blocked off because of construction, so we might miss our shortcut here. Let's just see if they're finished. Looks like we got traffic coming from that direction, so maybe we're good. Yep, well, looks like they're repaving the road, which is good. That road really did need it. Alright, so this is going to connect us with Forest Grove, or close thereabouts. We're going to go around Forest Grove, but yeah, this road used to be pretty bad. It had potholes and frost heaves and cracks, and but still one of my favorite roads. Coming up to Camp Tillamook. I believe it's owned by George Fox College, George Fox University. But a lot of churches use that for retreats and so forth. My kids went there when they were little. Yep, Tillamook right up here. You just take a ride and go up the hill. And they got a lake. They've got a trapeze. All kinds of stuff, all kinds of adventures for kids, so highly recommend it. We're on Gales Creek Road. Have a nice winding road. This, I believe, is Highway 8, and it hooks us up with Highway 6, which will then take us on to Tillamook. All right. Pulled over on the side of the road here. This is Gales Creek Road, and it's pretty nice scenery. I'm going to switch up the camera, put it on my handlebars. I'm not liking this mount on the helmet. It drags in the wind, and I can't tell if it's on or off. So, and I have to reach way up to turn it off or on. So, oh well, at least I tried it. The rest of this is either going to be on the handlebars or like this. So, but anyway, take a look at this countryside. Yep. Backwoods in Oregon. All right, we're ready to get going again here, and we'll bring you a little bit of this beautiful road. So anyway, enjoy the day. All right, well, here we are at Oceanside, and I was going to eat at the restaurant that I ate last time I was here, but it's closed. So I had a power bar instead. Take a look at the beach here. Some nice rocks out there. It's high tide, so don't get into those. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little doorway way down there. This is Tunnel Beach, and that's the tunnel. And I'm going to take you over there. We're going to walk through it here just in a few minutes. More to come. Okay. We are here. There's the entrance. Look at this little cliff we're in here. There's a house. I wouldn't feel too safe if I was them up there.
See where the hole is. Okay. You might as well go ahead.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot of light here, is there?
No. But we're moving kind of slow. Okay, you gotta pay attention to where you're stepping, okay? It's gonna get rocky slow. Okay. Watch your step.
There we go. Go ahead.
How's it going?
Step to the side.
Good. There's no lights in here.
Yeah. A little dark.
How's it going?
Oh, goodness. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, good.
All right. We made it. Well, we made it. Hooray. Check it out over there. A little different view of these rocks. This would be a good place to launch a drone from. Hint, hint. Okay, here's what the rocks look like on the other side. Look at those babies. Wow. Well, this is it. Tunnel Beach. Now we're gonna get on the bike and go try to find a place to eat. Tillamook Creamery. Buy stuff down there. Receiving free samples. The ice cream line. Think it's popular? See it in about half hour. White chocolate raspberry. That's what I got. Check it out. Oh man, is it good. Go back on Highway 6. Not a very good road. We'll see. 6 coming from Tillamook. It's kind of a rough road. I think the roads will be nice from now on. This is my last stop. I'm gonna water up a little bit and then I'll be home. So there's the Versys. Did fine today. Did real good. Well, hopefully you enjoyed your tour of Tunnel Rock and the Tillamook Creamery. Boy, it was busy. Today's Tuesday. Out of all days, Tuesday. Well, it is middle of summer, but I couldn't believe how busy it was. But, well, we'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed.